Oh, is this going to be fuel for him? No, it's fuel for his little belly. Ah. Oh, hello, shirlierox. I'm going to check out a game today that features things I like, which are robots, and things I don't like, which is programming. So in this game, apparently you land on a planet and we have a tiny little rocket and there's a robot in it. And then we can collect materials and use visual programming to make the robot do the work for me. So check out Craftomation 101. Let's dive right into it and see if it can teach an idiot to program, because every time I do games like this, I don't even get as far as Hello World. So we're landing on the planet. Okay. Right, teach me to program. Okay, so we need to mine little bits of stone here, which I have done. So if we combine 2 stones, I get a spark, apparently. So we'll drag that onto that and get a spark. And then I drag the spark onto... what's this? Coal? Oh, if we move the coal onto that, that'll make fire. And then I put the fire on my frozen ship and we get some defrosting. Nice. Okay, so we've got a new object. Bonfire. Place next to frozen tiles to unfreeze them. Drag it over here. Okay, and now then I need to light fire with... okay, so I need to light this. Let's get this again. Let's get a spark again. And a bit of coal. Put the coal on there and get a spark again. And we'll put the flame on there. Okay, that's unlocked a little area. New object, body. And head. Right, if we combine the head and the body, we will make a robot. Oh, interestingly, a head is made of light bulb and metal, and the body is a battery and a bit of steel by the look of it. I have a robot. Yes. So what do I do now? Wants me to collect stone again. And a bit of that. Oh, so stone and coal does something. A coal brick. Oh, is this going to be fuel for him? No, it's fuel for his little belly. Ah. Now, what else do I need to do? So we'll click on him. I need to click on this, which is the editor. So this is the bit. This is the bit that scares me. This is like visual programming. It's doing flowcharts. So I'm giving it a command to find and pick. So it's going to do a tree. Now I have to tell it what to pick up. So we'll click on that, and I want it to pick up stone. And I want it to pick another stone. So it's got 2 bits of stone. We combine the bits of stone, and then we get... are we getting coal then? I think that's coal. So that makes fire. Well, that makes a spark. Then find that, and then combine it, and then drop it. So is this going to be constantly making fire or sparks? I think. And then we drop it on there. Right, let's try and talk this through in my head. So we're telling the robot to find a stone, then find another stone, combine them together to make a spark, then pick a piece of coal, and then combine the fire which they're holding and the other thing. Whoa, that's blowing my mind. So at this point here, we make the spark. Then we find the coal. We combine them, we make fire, and then we drop the fire on there. I think that is it. Okay. And then we run through the program. Right, let's see if this even works. We're going to hide the editor. So he gets a piece of stone. He gets a spark. He gets a piece of coal. He gets some fire. And then he puts the fire on there. And he's going to keep doing that. Okay. And that's going to keep that going. And then it looks like we've got the bonfire going, stuff growing. Right, we've got to make bricks. Now that looks like clay. It's soil. So, how do I make clay? Clay's like water and soil, maybe? What happens if I mix soil and soil? Doesn't do anything. What about soil and stone? There you go. That made the brick. It wants me to make another bonfire now, so I need a brick and a piece of coal. I'll make another bonfire. And then place this over here next to... Oh, wait a minute. I think that's gonna hit it. Okay, so I'll do this myself because I know how to do this. Let's make a little bit of flame. Put the flame in there. Ooh, I've got an extra robot. I think the robot looks pretty much okay now, doesn't it? Okay. Let's give the stone to a command center. Okay, so that drops stuff in. Right, so I receive stone, you receive... What's that? A robot and something else. I mean... I'm going to have to be careful that this other fire doesn't go out. So if the fire goes out, we're going to lose. Look, there's another one over there. Ooh, right. Okay. I need to do this bit though, don't I? So let's do a little bit more programming. Let's us try and do programming for this. So we'll click you. We'll do this. I want to say find and pick stone. Then drop to... Oh, why can't I drop to storage maybe? Is that right? Is that going to work? Something's wrong with him. Oh, he's got no energy again, has he? Right, that's... What was it I did to make... How did I make the chunks? There you go. Nom 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 nom. I should give you some as well. Nom 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 nom. Oh, we've got water, look. Right, look, if I click that... I think that was water. Oh, it's paint. Okay, that wasn't at all what I thought it was. I'm gonna have to keep making these brick things, aren't I? Come on, have some more nom-noms. Okay, so what's wrong with me programming with this one? Pause it. Right. Click you. Do this. Right, so find and pick stone, drop to 0. Just delete that node. What about drop to storage? Would that work? No. How do I drop it in that place though? Let's delete that. Find and pick. Right, go to point. Do I actually have to drag it somewhere? Oh. I don't understand how I do the go there. Drop to the tile. There. Really weird there. So that's 19.5. Can I type that in manually? So it won't let me type it in. What did that do? When I clicked that one, it dropped to 19.5. Good work. Okay. Is that working now? Don't like the way this one keeps running out of go-go juice. Let's get a few little bits here. So I'm going to drop some coal on you. Come on. All of you have energy. Go do things. There you go. You're fully charged. Go do things. I mean, you should be doing a repeat command on this. Why is he only doing it once and then going, I'm not doing it again? Can I do repeat? See, what's the difference? This is the problem I have with these games. It teaches you a little basic command, and then it all goes wrong. So why is this one doing... Oh, I need to put a to idle at the end. I'm an idiot. So we do it at the end here, and then we do to idle. That should mean it's going to loop now. Hopefully. I do need to do sparks, do fire, keep that topped up. me loop's not working. Look what he's doing. He's putting it down. It's going to collect it, and then it's not getting it. I told you my programming was terrible. So what's the difference between that one and that one? So he makes the fire, he drops it in there, then he's... Okay, so I've got to obviously put something at the end here. Let's wipe it. We need to do this from the start. I need to do a go-to command from the start. So go-to point. Right, so go over here. And you need one. This is the bit I struggle with. Right, go here. Okay. Then pick an item. Oh. What's an easier thing to tell him to pick up? To idle, combine. What do we have in the other one again? Let me just double check him. This one. So hard to switch between them. Right, fire one. Find and pick. So you need to do find and pick. So do this bit. Find and pick a stone. Then go to point. Click on that bit. Go to there. Drop the item. Go to idle. Hopefully that will now work. He's going to get the stone from here. Take it there. And drop it. Then he's going to go back there and find another stone. That logic should be okay now. Not though. Why is he not? Why are you not dropping it? Drop it. Bad robot. Oh, I've not put a location. There you go. That's my bad. My bad programming again. Terrible, terrible shells. Okay, you need more stuff there. I wonder if I can have two robots. Well, one robot feeding two fires. Would that make sense? Feed one fire, then feed the other fire. He seems to really struggle with running out of energy really quick, though. I mean, I could alter the program and have him make fire, place fire there. There's no way of doing like a double statement, though, is there? I mean, he is doing this, but it's slow. So you go and do that. Yeah, you go and do that. I'm just gonna speed up a little bit because there we go. Okay, I has new robot. Right, follow the on-screen highlights to get your first upgrade. Okay, what was the upgrade? This one. Didn't it say there was an upgrade? Eat. Upgrades eat. Tells Craftomate to consume an object it's holding in its hands. Although they can digest everything, only certain elements are truly nutritious. Coal bricks are fine on early stages, while batteries are very harder to craft, guarantee for... Oh, yes. I would like that. Alright, let's get you off there, then. Batteries... Are you still collecting batteries? No, he needs a new thing now. He wants a spark. So you need to change your program. So you need to... I'd like to mirror the other guy's one, which is find and pick. Can I just swap it out like that? There must be an easy way. Okay, you can just press delete, which is perfect. Right, it's going to be a mirror image of the other one. So it's find two pieces of that stuff, combine it, go to point, go to there, drop to there, go to idle. Should be it. Okay, now why is that not? Why you no execute? Because I've got it paused? This should work now. Let's see if it works. Okay, it should take the spark and drop it here. There you go. Okay, so I need another robot. Execute a command center goal. So I think the goal is just this one, isn't it? So I've got like one fire, so I need to make more robots, I think. I don't want to just keep randomly making these blocks, but it is going to be a way to get these to carry on doing the stuff, isn't it? I think it might be an idea to get... Should I get another one just collecting the fire on this one? Just so I don't have to keep doing it. So let's just do another job here. So I want him to do the same task as the other one. Yeah, I didn't do a go-to command with this, did I? I just did find a rock, find another rock, combine them both, and then, oh, what do we do then? That gives us a spark. Then find and pick a piece of coal. Then I think it was combine. What was the last portion of this algorithm? Combine and then drop to the fire. So this is going to be the same program for this one. If we do drop to, I choose the fire, and then we do to idle at the end, and that should be a loop. Although I do need to keep filling this one up. Let's give you a little bit of extra power there. Okay, so that's those two are going to be sorted out now. Right, so we've got a new extra robot now. Apparently, Craftomate. So robot equals head plus that equals that. Right, so we've got iron now. Extremely cold. So we need to get over here to get the iron. So we need to build another fire. Okay, right, what was the fire recipe? Spark. Spark. Spark and that is fire, which is fine. I can't remember how... Okay, yeah, you need to stop doing what you're doing. Clear the program for that one. So we need to make a fire over here. I can't remember the recipe for just a simple fire. This one. Oh, it was the brick, of course. Okay, so I need to make the brick again. So let's get my stuff over here. Keep it out of the way. So annoying the way that... It's so annoying the way they just randomly take the stuff I'm trying to make. Okay, I'd like fire again, so I've got multiple sparks. Oh, clay brick. Yeah, no. Clay brick's what we've got. I need to make that. Oh, it's the chunk, isn't it? There we go. So we'll stick that there. Stick fire on it. My robots are being very bad. Come on. You have that. There you go. Right, so we need to get iron now. Let's see what we can do with iron. I'm assuming iron and a spark does something. Or is it iron and fire? Yeah, so we've got steel now. I need to make 2 steel. So we can get another little bit of that. There you go. Look how quickly that ends up finishing though. You know, 1 minute. 1 minute I've got that fire lit. And then it burns out. And I've not got access to the iron again. I need to get all my iron over here again, look. There we go. We've nearly got that robot as well. We should be able to get that in a bit. Right, so we need to give this 5 steel. So I just need to keep making fires, basically. And need to keep these topped up with fuel. Because otherwise these are going to break. Okay, I need a spark. I need a spark in my life. So you go on that, you go on that. Give me this. Okay. Stealing my stones. Absolute monster. Okay, this is the last one. So what are we going to unlock now? What is that? Storage. Okay, so we've got a storage object now. So he wants to receive plate next. So I think I'm going to start collecting some stuff. So I'm trying to think what would be the best way of doing this. I mean, why you? What's your problem? You are meant to be making that and then combining it. It seems to be. Does he need spark? Did I just give him? Did I just give him electricity to eat? What does that do? Can I do that to all of them? Apparently. Is that instead of doing I don't think that really filled him up though with fuel, did it? No. I'm not sure why that one is not working anymore. Let's reset it. Right, so reset it. Run it. Right, so you get a piece of that, get a piece of that, make spark. Make fire. Okay. Back to working again. I guess the program broke a little bit. Anyways, this is fascinating. So it does look like I've got space to do, you know, even more stuff now. I mean, I've got like storage, so I could have someone like say make a go over here. Make a piece of steel, you know, add another one here to add the flames to that, have another one that will then get the flames, and then keep doing it like that. So yeah, it's going to take a while to do, so we're going to save it for now. I'm going to call it episode 1. Episode 1, A New Hope. No. Anyway, this is Craftomation 101. So it's good, but it's going to take a while to get my head around it. But I think it's going to be a good game once we get the full automation set up. So let me know in the channel if you want to see some more of this on the channel and see a little bit more of me figuring out how to set up the automation. Sorry, it's a bit slow at the moment, but as I said, this is my first look at this. So yeah, I do not have a clue what I'm doing at the moment. So it will come with time. And if you've actually played it and you know I'm heading on the right lines, comment and let me know. Anyway, that's it for now. I'm shirlierox. This has been First Look at Craftomation 101. See you next time.